Hello everyone and welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the latest reviews on the hottest products in the market. Today, we're diving into the world of convenience and hygiene with the best small wipes container for your purse. Introducing the Baby Wipes Dispenser by Wenvastree, your ultimate solution for keeping wet tissues fresh and accessible on the go. Let's delve into why this little marvel stands out. First up, safety and quality materials. This dispenser is crafted with high-quality, non-toxic, and durable plastic. Say goodbye to PVC, BPA, and phthalate, ensuring a safe experience for both babies and adults. But wait, there's more. The sealing performance of this dispenser is top-notch. With a sealing ring integrated into the lid, it effectively locks in moisture, guaranteeing that your wipes stay fresh and moist for longer periods. No more dried-out wipes wasting away in your purse. Despite its compact size, this dispenser boasts a generous capacity. It can accommodate most standard wipes available on the market, providing worry-free diaper-changing solutions wherever you go. Now, let's talk versatility. Whether you're dining out, traveling, or simply running errands, this dispenser is your reliable companion. Its lightweight and portable design make it perfect for various settings, from restaurants and cars to offices and bedrooms. Refilling your wipes has never been easier. Thanks to its 3-layer design and rotating buckle, the dispenser allows for hassle-free filling and closing. Plus, the entire cover opens up, ensuring quick and convenient access. From convenience to durability, this wipes dispenser ticks all the boxes. Whether you're a parent on the go or someone who values cleanliness and convenience, the Wenvastree Baby Wipes Dispenser is a must-have accessory for your purse. That's a wrap for today's review. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews on the latest products. Until next time, happy wiping!